Tropical Green Almond Milk Smoothie recipes. Equipment: blender. Ingredients: 1 cup baby spinach, 1 banana sliced and frozen, 1/4 cup frozen mango chunks, ½ cup almond milk, ½ cup ice, 2 scoops vanilla protein powder optional. Instructions: 1. Blend the ingredients for the almond milk smoothie. 2. To achieve the required thickness, add additional almond milk, 1/8 cup at a time, and blend until smooth. 3. Pour into a glass, then quickly run water through your blender, to stop the ingredients from sticking to the inside. Nutrition: serving, 1 cup. Calories, 157 kilocalories. Carbohydrates, 35.2 grams. Protein, 3 grams. Fat, 2.4 grams. Saturated fat, 0.3 grams. Cholesterol, 0 milligrams. Sodium, 115 milligrams. Potassium, 754 milligrams. Fiber, 4.9 grams. Sugar, 20.2 grams. Calcium, 190 milligrams. Iron, 2 milligrams.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe to this channel.